So
Oo.
your thoughts po?
Well, ayoko na sana palakihin yan or bigyan ng importansya. Pero meron hearing on Monday. No, yung final namin na complaint against him. Ang nagpadala na rin sila ng depensa nila, no. Alam mo, ang depensa niya is freedom of speech, yung mga ganun siya talaga, yung mga ganun, ano. Alam mo, ang Ethics and Rules Committee hindi criminal court. No, it is a vehicle for the House to protect itself against misbehavior by its members. 'Di ba? So hindi siya makukulong kung guilty siya sa Ethics Committee, no? Maybe may reprimand, may pagsabihan ganyan. Pero kasi yung ibang mga ginawa niya na pinagreklamo namin, parang sinasabi niya na karapatan niya 'yon. Actually, karapatan mo yun as a citizen. Pero hindi yun ang behavior na ine-expect from a congressman. Iba yung expectations from the average citizen, kaya iba yung rights ng average citizen, which is freedom of speech, you know, mga ganon. But when you enter the House of Representatives, you're expected to hold yourself to a certain level of behavior, no? And kung walang ganon, wala na, magkakagulo na lang tayo dito. We are expected to act with a minimum level of decorum. Diba? And with respect to our peers, ganon. So pag wala yun, then we have to seek redress, no? And that's what we are doing now. Kasi sabi mo nga, tuloy-tuloy hanggang ngayon, every time may opportunity siya, kukunan niya somebody on the floor. That's not expecting to be put on public domain, no? Hindi naman siguro tama yun.